Alfalfa Flower Essence, the gentle anchor of grounded serenity. Alfalfa Flower Essence, derived from the vibrant purple blossoms of Medicago sativa and a cherished remedy in vibrational healing, is celebrated for its profound ability to ground spiritual energies, foster emotional balance, and restore a sense of calm amidst life's chaos. Known by evocative common names such as Lucerne, purple medic, and buffalo herb, this resilient legume, with its clover-like leaves and nectar-rich flowers, carries a rich legacy in Native American, European, and modern holistic traditions. Its essence, captured through the sun-infused vibrational imprint of fresh blossoms, offers a subtle yet powerful tool for emotional and spiritual wellness. In this comprehensive exploration, we'll uncover the multifaceted benefits of Alfalfa Flower Essence, its unique energetic profile, and how to integrate its grounding, centering qualities into your daily life. A sacred essence of balance and presence. Alfalfa, a perennial staple of fertile fields and prairies, is renowned for its deep roots and nourishing properties, both as a nutrient-dense crop and a vibrational remedy. The name Medicago derives from the Greek media, referring to its origins in ancient Persia, while sativa means cultivated, reflecting its widespread use since antiquity. In Native American traditions, alfalfa was revered as buffalo herb, symbolizing abundance and resilience, while European herbalists valued it as lucerne for its vitality. In flower essence therapy, pioneered by Dr. Edward Bach in the 1930s, alfalfa's blossoms are used to create an essence that captures its energetic signature, offering a bridge between the physical and spiritual realms. Unlike herbal medicines, flower essences work on an energetic level, addressing emotional and spiritual imbalances rather than physical symptoms. Alfalfa flower essence is prized for its ability to anchor spiritual energies, strengthen the body temple, the physical and energetic self, and promote a calm, focused state of mind. It is a remedy for the modern malaise of overwhelm, anxiety, and the frantic never-enough-time mindset, helping individuals find balance amidst a hectic, overscheduled life. Whether taken as drops under the tongue, diluted in water, or blended into custom formulas, alfalfa flower essence embodies a sacred blend of grounding, clarity, and serene presence, inviting us to reconnect with our center and navigate life's demands with ease. Emotional and spiritual benefits of alfalfa flower essence. Alfalfa flower essence's therapeutic reach focuses on the emotional and spiritual dimensions, making it a versatile ally for mental clarity, emotional resilience, and energetic alignment. It supports emotional balance, restores equilibrium when feeling overwhelmed, scattered, or anxious, fostering a sense of inner calm and control. Mental clarity, encourages a focused, present state of mind, helping prioritize tasks and release worries about the future or regrets about the past. Spiritual grounding, anchors spiritual energies into the physical body, strengthening the connection between mind, body, and spirit. Stress resilience, alleviates restlessness, irritability, and tension caused by a busy lifestyle, promoting emotional stability. Sleep support, eases insomnia triggered by an overactive mind or overscheduling, fostering restful sleep. Time perception, instills a sense of having enough time to accomplish tasks without feeling rushed or frantic. Energetic integrity, protects the body temple by reinforcing energetic boundaries, reducing feelings of depletion or fragmentation. Alfalfa flower essence addresses key emotional states, including overwhelm, soothes the chaotic energy of juggling multiple responsibilities, helping individuals feel capable and centered. Anxiety, calms racing thoughts and nervous tension, promoting a grounded, peaceful mindset. Scatteredness, realigns focus and attention, countering the mental fog of multitasking or overstimulation. Frantic mindset, shifts the perception of time scarcity, fostering a sense of spaciousness and ease. Its energetic actions target the subtle body, including the aura, chakras, particularly the root and solar plexus, and emotional field, making it an ideal remedy for those navigating high-stress environments, demanding schedules, or spiritual disconnection. The energetic and vibrational power of alfalfa flower essence. Alfalfa flower essence's potency lies in its vibrational imprint, captured through a meticulous process of sun infusion. Vibrational imprint, Fresh alfalfa blossoms are placed in pure spring water and exposed to sunlight for several hours, allowing the flower's energetic signature to transfer into the water. This creates a potent essence that carries the plant's grounding and centering qualities. Phytochemical resonance. While the essence contains negligible physical compounds, it resonates with alfalfa's bioactive constituents, such as flavonoids, antioxidant, isoflavones, hormonal balance, and saponins, immune support, on an energetic level. Preservatives. The essence is stabilized with brandy, vegetable glycerin, or apple cider vinegar to maintain its vibrational integrity, ensuring long-term potency. These vibrational qualities drive alfalfa flower essence's emotional and spiritual actions. Grounding anchors scattered or elevated energies into the physical body, fostering stability and presence. Centering aligns the mind and emotions, promoting clarity and focus amidst chaos. Calming soothes an overactive nervous system, reducing anxiety and irritability. Balancing harmonizes the energetic body, strengthening the root chakra for security and the solar plexus for confidence. Releasing dissolves feelings of overwhelm, time scarcity, and mental clutter, creating space for mindfulness. Protective shields the aura from external stresses, preserving energetic integrity. Restorative replenishes emotional reserves, countering depletion from overscheduling or multitasking. These actions make alfalfa flower essence a powerful remedy for emotional overwhelm, mental fragmentation, and spiritual disconnection, with a gentle, anchoring profile suitable for daily or situational use. Nutritional and energetic profile. As a flower essence, alfalfa contains no significant physical nutrients, as it works on a vibrational rather than material level. However, its source plant, Medicago sativa, offers a nutrient-rich profile that informs its energetic qualities. Macronutrients, plant carbohydrates, provide energy, supporting vitality. Proteins, nourish tissues, reflecting resilience. Fiber, promotes digestive health, aligning with grounding. Micronutrients, plant vitamin C, boosts immunity, resonating with protection. Vitamin K, supports tissue repair, echoing healing. Calcium and magnesium promote relaxation and stability, mirroring centering. Iron enhances energy, aligning with focus. Phytochemicals, plant flavonoids and isoflavones offer antioxidant and balancing effects, supporting emotional clarity. Saponins enhance immune resilience, resonating with energetic integrity. In essence form, these nutrients are absent, but their energetic resonance enhances alfalfa's role as a grounding, centering, and restorative remedy, particularly for the emotional and spiritual body. Traditional and modern applications. Alfalfa flower essence draws on the holistic traditions of flower essence therapy, pioneered by Dr. Bach, and the herbal legacy of alfalfa, with applications focused on emotional and spiritual healing. Internal applications, energetic. Emotional grounding. Alfalfa essence's grounding properties make it a premier remedy for feeling scattered or overwhelmed by responsibilities. Take 2 to 4 drops under the tongue or in water, 2 to 4 times daily, to restore balance and presence during hectic periods. Anxiety and stress relief. Its calming action soothes nervous tension and racing thoughts, ideal for work stress, deadlines, or social overload. Use drops or a diluted spray, for drops in 1 ounce's water, are to promote tranquility. Mental clarity and focus. Its centering effect enhances prioritization and mindfulness, countering mental fog or multitasking burnout. Take drops before tasks requiring concentration or during meditation. Sleep support. Its soothing properties ease insomnia caused by an overactive mind or overscheduling. Take 4 drops in water 30 minutes before bed to promote restful sleep. Spiritual alignment. Its grounding action anchors spiritual energies, ideal for those feeling disconnected during meditation or spiritual practices. Use drops during rituals or journaling to enhance presence. Time perception. Its balancing effect shifts that never enough time mindset, fostering a sense of spaciousness. Take drops during busy days to feel unhurried and capable. Historical context. In Native American traditions, alfalfa symbolized abundance and grounding, used in rituals for stability. Flower essence therapy adapted this wisdom, using alfalfa to anchor modern stresses. External applications, energetic. Aura cleansing. Mist diluted essence, 4 drops in 1 ounce of water, around the body to clear scattered energy and strengthen energetic boundaries, ideal after stressful encounters. Bath therapy. Add 8 to 10 drops to a warm bath to soak in grounding and calming vibrations, soothing overwhelm and promoting relaxation, used 1 to 2 times weekly. Room spray. Combine 10 drops with 2 ounces water in a spray bottle to mist living spaces, creating a calm, focused environment for work or meditation. Massage blend. Mix 4 drops with 1 teaspoon carrier oil, e.g., jojoba, for a grounding massage, applied to pulse points or the solar plexus to ease anxiety. Meditation aid. Apply 2 drops to wrists or temples before meditation to enhance presence and anchor spiritual energies. Historical context. Flower essences were used in early 20th century Europe to balance emotions, with alfalfa emerging as a modern remedy for urban stress and disconnection. Dosage and preparation. Alfalfa flower essence is prepared and used as a vibrational remedy, with dosages tailored to emotional needs. Preparation. Fresh alfalfa blossoms are placed in a glass bowl of spring water and exposed to sunlight for 3 to 6 hours, capturing the flower's energetic imprint. The water is filtered and preserved with brandy, or glycerin for alcohol-free versions, at a 1-to-1 ratio, creating a stock essence. This is diluted to a dosage bottle, 1 to 10 drops stock in 1 ounce water or brandy. Standard dosage, 2 to 4 drops under the tongue or in a glass of water, taken 2 to 4 times daily for emotional grounding, anxiety, or focus. Hold the intention of balance while taking to enhance effects. Acute use. 4 drops every 15 to 30 minutes during intense overwhelm or anxiety, up to 1 to 2 hours, then revert to standard dosing. Diluted spray. Add 4 to 6 drops to 1 ounce water in a spray bottle, mist around the body or room 2 to 3 times daily for aura cleansing or environmental calm. Bath. Add 8 to 10 drops to bath water, soak for 15 to 20 minutes, 1 to 2 times weekly, for stress relief and grounding. Topical. Mix 4 drops with 1 teaspoon carrier oil, apply to pulse points, solar plexus, or feet, 1 to 2 times daily, for energetic alignment. Important. Flower essences are safe and non-toxic, as they contain no physical plant material, but use high-quality, ethically sourced essences to ensure vibrational purity. Take for 2 to 4 weeks for noticeable emotional shifts, adjusting frequency based on sensitivity. Store in a cool, dark place away from electronics to preserve energetic integrity. Combine with other essences, e.g., oak for resilience, mimulus for fear, or for tailored emotional support. Cautions and contraindications. Alfalfa flower essence is exceptionally safe due to its vibrational nature, with minimal risks, but some considerations apply. Allergies. Rare sensitivity to alfalfa's energetic signature may occur in highly sensitive individuals. Symptoms like mild restlessness or emotional discomfort may indicate overuse. Reduce dosage or discontinue and consult a practitioner. Alcohol sensitivity. Standard essences contain brandy as a preservative. Use alcohol-free versions, glycerin-based, or for children, pregnant individuals, or those avoiding alcohol. Emotional sensitivity. May amplify emotions temporarily as it releases overwhelm or anxiety. Start with 1 to 2 drops daily if highly sensitive and increase gradually. Pregnancy and nursing. Safe for use, as it contains no physical compounds, but consult a practitioner for personalized guidance during pregnancy or breastfeeding. Children. Safe for children over 2 in low doses, 1 to 2 drops, 1 to 2 times daily, diluted in water or juice, to ease restlessness or overstimulation, use under supervision. Prolonged use. Safe for long-term use, 1 to 3 months, but reassess need after 4 to 6 weeks to avoid habitual reliance. Cycle off for 1 to 2 weeks to evaluate progress. Side effects. Virtually non-existent due to the absence of physical compounds, but overuse may cause temporary emotional discomfort or mild fatigue in sensitive individuals. Discontinue or reduce dosage if discomfort persists, and consult a flower essence practitioner. Synergistic combinations and substitutions. Alfalfa Flower Essence thrives in custom blends, pairing with complementary essences to enhance its grounding and calming effects. With oak, enhances resilience and endurance, ideal for those feeling overwhelmed by unrelenting responsibilities. With mimulus, soothes specific fears or anxieties, complementing alfalfa's general calming action. With white chestnut, quiets repetitive thoughts and mental chatter, amplifying alfalfa's focus and presence. With walnut, supports adaptation to change, grounding transitions amidst chaotic schedules. With Star of Bethlehem, heals emotional shock or trauma, fostering deeper grounding and emotional stability. With Rescue Remedy, combines alfalfa's grounding with Bach's Crisis Blend for acute stress or overwhelm. Substitutions. Centauri, Centaureum erythrea offers grounding and boundary setting for those overwhelmed by others' demands. Elm, Ulmus procera restores confidence and balance when responsibilities feel crushing. Red chestnut, Aesculus carnea eases anxiety about others' well-being, promoting centeredness. Vervain, Verbena officinalis calms overzealous energy and hyperactivity, fostering focus. Cultural and historical significance. Alfalfa's history spans centuries, rooted in agricultural and healing traditions. In ancient Persia, it was a prized forage crop, symbolizing abundance and fertility. Native American tribes used alfalfa for nutrition and rituals, associating it with grounding and prosperity. In herbalism, alfalfa was valued for its nutrient density, supporting vitality, while its flowers were used in teas for digestive calm. The advent of flower essence therapy in the 20th century, led by Dr. Bach, elevated alfalfa's blossoms to a vibrational remedy, aligning its grounding qualities with modern emotional needs. In contemporary holistic practices, alfalfa flower essence is a staple in Bach-inspired and North American essence systems, such as the Flower Essence Society, FES. It is celebrated for addressing the fast-paced, overscheduled nature of modern life, offering a counterbalance to digital overload and multitasking. Its nickname, Purple Medic, reflects its healing purple blooms and medicinal legacy, symbolizing calm amidst chaos. From ancient fields to modern essence bottles, alfalfa bridges earthy wisdom with spiritual serenity, offering a timeless anchor for emotional and energetic wellness. Alfalfa Flower Essence, Medicago sativa, is a gentle anchor of grounded serenity, blending ancient resilience with profound vibrational healing. From soothing overwhelm and anxiety to fostering focus and spiritual grounding, this Lucerne essence offers a subtle yet transformative path to emotional wellness. Its vibrational imprint, captured from sun-kissed blossoms, delivers grounding, centering, and calming benefits, making it an ideal remedy for navigating the busyness of modern life with clarity and ease. Whether taken as drops under the tongue, misted around the aura, or blended into a soothing bath, alfalfa flower essence invites us to embrace its tranquil energy with intention. Its safety for all ages and long-term use makes it a versatile ally for stress, scatteredness, or spiritual disconnection, with minimal precautions needed. By incorporating alfalfa essence into your routine with mindful care, you can unlock its potential to balance, restore, and anchor. Let this purple medic guide you through the timeless art of vibrational healing, connecting you to a legacy of serenity, resilience, and radiant presence.